Hi, my name is Jay Hait. I'm a family law attorney with offices located throughout Israel. And most of my clients are either Anglo-Saxon or they've lived for some time in Anglo-Saxon countries. And a lot of times I find myself involved in cross-border divorces between Israel and the United States or England or Australia. And international family law can be really complex and really challenging, especially when it involves cross-border custody battles and also when it involves cross-border battles over rights and assets. In these situations, it's important to understand the legal framework that covers the issues. With regards to children, the Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Abduction, as an example, that's an international treaty that outlines the legal procedures for dealing with cross-border custody disputes when a child has been in a country for less than a year. And the aim of this is to protect the children from the harmful effects of the international non-return of children to their home country and to ensure that their rights are respected. But as I said, there are other issues. It's really important to consider issues like jurisdiction, i.e., where is the case more properly heard regarding property division or regarding spousal support, right? In Israel, we don't have spousal support once you're divorced. In other countries, there is. So you might want to have divorce going on outside of Israel, even if you've been living in Israel when it's possible. Usually isn't possible when you've been here for a longer time period. But the bottom line is that these issues can be complicated, and a lot of times they will involve multiple legal systems, also different cultural norms. Like I said, cultural norm in Israel is that there is no such thing as spousal support, as alimony after divorce. But that's why it's really important to speak to an experienced family law lawyer who knows both the Israel and the system of your home country or of the other country so that you can navigate these issues. And it's also really important to consider the emotional and practical implications of cross-border divorces. Okay, for example, you or your kids may face language barriers, as I said already, cultural differences, the challenges of maintaining relationships with both parents if one decides to leave Israel and one decides to stay in Israel. Okay, so it's really important in these cases to prioritize the well-being of your kids and to work together to find solutions that work for everybody, at least in those areas where we can find solutions. Okay, ultimately, navigating cross-border divorces and child custody battles between Israel and English-speaking countries really requires a lot of careful planning and legal expertise, and in our office, at least, a commitment to prioritizing the well-being of both your children and the family. So if you have questions about cross-border divorce from Israel, then please pick up the phone and give us a call. My phone number appears on the screen in front of you.